Get excited! Today, I'll show you how I made a sports hood for my Pontiac Firebird project using a resin 3D printer. If you're ready, let's get started. Determine the format and location of your model. You can usually download your model from the internet or create it in 3D modeling software. I am using a pre-made model and loading it into the program. In resin 3D printers, it is important to create support structures to ensure the model adheres to the printer platform. To do this, use the Support Generation or Support Structures tools in your 3D modeling program. Some 3D modeling programs offer automatic support generation tools. These tools can save time for beginners and help create suitable supports for your model. By following these steps, you can easily send your model to your 3D printer via USB or wireless connection and start the printing process. I am using a model that supports wireless communication. As soon as your 3D printer's build plate descends into the resin vat, the layer formation process begins. In this phase, the printer constructs your model layer by layer by taking cross-sections from your model's digital 3D file. Each layer is a thin layer of resin that hardens on top of the previous layer. Print time. The mentioned 30-minute print time can vary depending on the complexity of your model, the desired print quality, the printer used, and the resin. Generally, more intricate models and higher print quality settings result in longer print times. As soon as your 3D printer's build plate descends into the resin vat, the layer formation process begins. In this phase, the printer constructs your model layer by taking cross-sections from your model's digital 3D file. Each layer is a thin layer of resin that hardens on top of the previous layer. Print time. The mentioned 30-minute print time can vary depending on the complexity of your model, the desired print quality, the printer used, and the resin. Generally, more intricate models and higher print quality settings result in longer print times. Once you have your custom hood ready, it's time to match it with your vehicle's original hood and determine how you'll install it. Here's a general overview of the process. 1. Matching and alignment. A. Placement. Carefully place the custom hood on the vehicle, ensuring it aligns correctly with the body lines, fenders, and hood hinges. B. Gap checks. Check for even gaps between the custom hood and the adjacent body panels, including the fenders, bumper, and windshield. Use measuring tools or shims to achieve consistent gaps. C. Mounting point alignment. Verify that the mounting points on the custom hood align with the corresponding points on the vehicle's frame or hood hinges. After cutting the two pieces to the desired shape and size, it's important to align and join them precisely for a perfect fit. You can use sandpaper and a Dremel tool to achieve this. In this step, the piece is cleaned to make it easier to handle. The washing process has been completed, but the curing process has not been done. You can make the work easier by doing the curing process later. Once you've carefully aligned and prepared the two cut edges using sanding and a Dremel tool, it's time to join them permanently. Here's how to proceed with bonding the pieces using paper tape and an internal adhesive. Hey everyone! We've reached the end of our 3D printing video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. I upload new videos every week. You can find everything 3D printing related on this channel. 3D modeling, designing, printing tips, and much more. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. You can also share the video with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. You can also follow us on Instagram. We want to grow with you on this channel. Your ideas are very important to us. It can be very fun and exciting to get inspiration from you when creating projects or to bring a project you have in mind to life. Feel free to share your ideas with us in the comments. Don't forget to turn on the bell after subscribing to get notified of our new videos. That way you won't miss any of our new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.